As you can see here, I have the 3030. This is going to be a really short video, just basically showing the SLC works now. A lot has changed on this panel since last time you saw it. I have all the voice stuff set up. I have power supplies. As you can see, system's all normal. I have flash scan and clip running on the same SLC. I'll do an entire video on how that works. It's really cool. I have Firelight devices working on flash scan, which is cool. I have notifier devices, an old notifier clip smoke detector there. I basically got this card and I thought it was incompatible because I got a software mismatch error on the CPU, and basically what that was telling me was the I think what it means is the software on the CPU that talks to the LCM card was different. So what I had to do was do a firmware upgrade of the CPU, not the card. And if I do a lamp test here, kind of cool thing, when I updated, you can let go and now you can scroll through. Now I am running version 27, which is the newest firmware version for this panel. As you can see, the LCM image, it's not going to focus, is 8 and 15. Before, both those numbers were a little lower, but it's basically 8 and 15 on that, and it was lower on this, so they couldn't communicate. If I go to the next page, which is something they updated with the new firmware, so you don't have to hold it down. Not sure why it's not automatically focusing, but if I scroll through there, as you can see, it's 27, and this shows the firmware on the card, which is 8 and 15, which is the exact same as the one loaded on the CPU. So it's working. Thank you to the person who helped me with that. If you did not do that, I would probably have bought a newer card and it probably still would not have worked. So I'm going to have a lot more videos on this panel coming soon. Thanks for watching.